What's the meaning of bitchy? Bitchy. Bitchy.
Bitchy. Bitchy. Bitchy is an adjective used to describe someone who is unpleasantly or maliciously critical, spiteful, or sniping. The term is often used to describe women who are perceived as petty, catty, or gossipy. It can also refer to behavior that is manipulative, passive-aggressive, or attention-seeking. Bitchy behavior may be the result of underlying insecurities, jealousy, or a desire for power or control. It can also be a defense mechanism used to deflect criticism or hide one's own flaws or shortcomings. Overall, being bitchy is generally considered to be a negative trait in both personal and professional contexts.